I'm Dr. P. Usha Rani, Professor RMT Engineering College, going to explain the topic Solid State Drives Unit 4 Self-Controlled Synchronous Motor Drive Employing Load Commutated Inverter. I have taken the problem GK Dubey 7.4, which is one of the part B question, MCQ question. A synchronous motor is controlled by a load commutated inverter, which in turn is fed from a line commutated converter. Source voltage is 6.6 kV 50 Hz. Load commutated inverter operates at a constant firing angle of alpha 1 of 140 degree, and when rectifying alpha 1 equal to 0 degree. DC link inductor resistance R suffix D equal to 0.1 ohm. Drive operates in self-control mode with a constant V by F ratio. Motor specifications 8 MW, 3-phase, 6.6 kV, 6-pole, 50 Hz, unity power factor, star connected, XX is equal to 2.8 ohm, RS is equal to 0. Determine source side converter firing angles for motor operation at the rated current and 500 RPM. Also, what will be the power developed by the motor? The given the MCQ options are A 66.85 degree 3.064 megawatt, option B 64.85 degree 3.01 megawatt, option C 67.15 degree 2.98 megawatt, option D 66.98 degree 3.1 megawatt. We have to work out and verify which one is the correct one. For solution, first I have calculated V. V 3-phase value is given as 6.6 kV. So per phase by root 3 you have to put. So 6600 divided by root 3. So V value is 3810.5 volt. And rated power given as 8 megawatt, which is the equation PM is equal to 8 megawatts equal to 3 times V into IS into cos phi. Where here IS is the unknown one, you are going to work out. So I have substituted 3 into V. Just now we have calculated 3810.5 into IS is the unknown one, cos phi unity power factor mentioned in the question. So into 1 you substitute. In that, if you simplify that, IS is value as 699.82 amps. If I know IS, I can calculate my ID, where the equation as pi into IS divided by root 6. So I have substituted IS value as 699.82 into pi by root 6. If I simplify, my answer for ID as 897.55 amps. And we have to calculate the phase angle between IS and V. So the phase angle as 180 degree minus 140 degree. So which is equal to 40 degree. At the operation of 500 RPM, we have to work out the frequency. For 1000 RPM, 50 Hz is given. So for frequency, you have to work out for 500 RPM, which is 25 Hz. So V at a 25 Hz value as 25 by 50 into 3810.5, which is equal to 1905.25 volt. PM value 3 times V into IS into cos phi. So you substitute the values of V as 1905.25 into IS as 699.82, cos of 40 degree. If I substitute and multiply that, my answer for PM as 3.064 megawatt. This is one of the answer. Then we have to go for calculation of alpha S. Next question. So for that I have taken VD, load commutated inverter side, which is equal to 3 root 6 divided by pi into V into cos alpha 1. So I substituted all the values, 3 root 6 by pi, V as 1905.25, cos of 140 degree. So if I simplify, my answer is minus 3413.9 volt. VD at the source side, if I calculate minus of VD I plus ID into RD. So I have substituted minus a sign, and VD load side value as minus 3413.9. So this 2 minus gets cancelled, this becomes positive value. Then plus of ID value as 897.55 into RD as 0.1. So if I simplify that, my answer for VDS is equal to 3503.67 volt. So this VDL equation as this VDS source side equation equal to 3 root 6 by pi, which is into Vs into cos of alpha s. So I have substituted all the values except alpha s. So if I substitute and simplify, my cos alpha s equation becomes 0.393 and alpha s is equal to 66.85 degree. So if I compare the results of 4 options given in the question, option A as the correct answer, 66.85 degree, 3.064 megawatt. So answer as answer A. The same data, second question, MCQ 2, datas are same, only here determine the source side converted firing angle for regenerative braking operation at 500 rpm and rated motor current. Also calculate power supply to the source. So datas are same, only the condition has changed. They are given 4 options. Option A 113.1, 3.8 megawatt, like that 4 options is given. We have to work out and solve, then which one gives the exact answer, that is the correct one we have to mention. So for the solution of this, IS we have calculated 699.82 amps, ID we have calculated 897.55 amps, and 500 rpm we have calculated V, that value as 1905.25 volts. When rectifying mode, alpha 1 as 0, so the machine operates at phi is equal to 0 degree or unity power factor. So I am going to calculate my PM, which is equal to 3 times V into IS into cos phi. So I have substituted V value 3 into V as 1905.25 into IS as 699.82 into unity power factor cos 0. So into 1, which is equal to 3.99 megawatts. Neglecting losses in both the converters, power supply to the source is equal to PM minus ID square RD. So I have substituted my PM value, just now we have calculated, minus of 897.55 square into 0.1 RD. So if I simplify, the answer is 3.919 megawatt. Next I have calculated, similar to the previous case, VD load side. So 3 root 6 by pi into V into cos alpha 1 value 0 degree is given. So I have substituted all the values. If I simplify that, answer is 4458.8 volt. And VD source side is equal to minus VD load side plus ID RD. I have just substituted this values of VD load side. So that value is 4458.8. This minus sign already there in the equation. So minus of this plus ID into RD 897.55 into 0.1. So the answer for VDS is minus of 4369 volt, which is equal to 3 root 6 by pi into Vs into cos alpha s. From that, if I simplify cos alpha s, my cos alpha s equation becomes minus of 0.49, or alpha s is equal to cos inverse of minus of 0.49. The answer is 119.33 degree. So now I have calculated the answers. Power supply to the sources 3.919 megawatt and alpha s firing angle 119.33. So I have to check with the 4 options given. Here option D 119.33 degree and 3.919 megawatt is the correct one. So the MCQ answer for this problem is answer D. Thank you very much.